Ships and sails make no sound, raising spirits to the ground. Blow a whistle, hear a moan, dogs come back to bury bones. What you know now, what you know, roots grow deeper than branches high.
Excuse me, can you help me find this book?
No, it's a very rare book, that one. I very much doubt anyone sells it, to be honest. It's been out of print for a long time.
Is there any chance of getting hold of it?
Well, I know some private dealers, but I mean, still, it's...
I don't mind paying.
I like your voice. Soft but firm.
Thank you. I like your voice.
Thank you. I like the smell of brooch you're wearing.
Thank you, my male lover Bob bought it for me.
What?
You remind me of him in a certain light.
What?
Die! Yes! I'm not fucking dying! Die down, Rob! No, die! I'm not fucking die! Yes!
I got a package of I was in the area, so I thought I'd bring it round now. Occasionally delivery. So I booked you on yesterday.
Children are all innately bisexual. If you was to take a child up to Plato's retreat, he'd be attracted to both sexes.
I imagine he'd be terrified.
Yes, I imagine he would. I've never taken a child up to Plato's retreat before.
I don't think they'd let you.
I don't really know any children. I'm deeply emotional, I like to cry.
Oh, I wouldn't like that.
But I like to cry.
I don't think men should cry unless something falls on them.
Is this table okay? Really should we put on a stable surface?
I feel you're very sensitive. I'd like you to have my children.
Thank you.
Are you ready for that sort of commitment?
I think we should get to know each other better first.
I feel we agree on all issues. I think we both like rock music and jogging and quiet nights in and...
I'm not going to go and see him.